What's up guys, and it's finally here. It's that time again. It's impossible to stop the leaks. You're looking at the actual real life look of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Courtesy of John Prosser aka Front Page Tech, this is double confirmed by Max on Twitter. So what you're looking at is indeed the actual S22 Ultra. It's done. Samsung has listened to their fans. The Note is back. And I know the name may confuse to some people. They're still calling it the S22 Ultra rather than Note 22 Ultra, but whatever they call it, the Note is back. So we have the black model in question and it's looking really good. It's like a Note version of the matte black variant of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but with some really good key premium changes that we're going to talk about. But first thing first, let's take a look at the bottom side of the phone, which confirms that the S Pen is indeed back, and that's how it's supposed to be. Free S Pen built in. You don't have to buy a case for it. It sits right in there. And it's looking amazing. I've noticed that Samsung has moved the speaker tray to the right and SIM tray to the left. This is probably in order to accommodate the new S Pen, which is, by the way, on the same side it used to be on previous Galaxy Note phones. Looking at this top-down shot of the back of the device, this is where the main magic is going. That look is absolutely beautiful thanks to the matte finish. Thank God Samsung is not going towards the glossy look. In fact, all colors of the S22 Ultra will have a matte finish, so you don't have to worry about those fingerprints. It's gonna look pretty nice and shiny. The most premium thing about the design is those patternless cameras, the separated lens design, which is now a part of the actual back with their own color coordinated rings around them, looking really premium. We'll see the same color coordinated ring with the other colors as well, such as white, dark red, and green colors. Now the cameras are literally the same as the S21 Ultra when it comes to the positioning. So first comes the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, then comes the 108 megapixel main wide camera, then we have the 10x periscope optical zoom, laser autofocus on the side with LED flash in between, and then that separate 3x optical zoom. We talked about a confirmed camera feature that is coming to the S22 Ultra in the previous video, so you can check that out, but pretty much this is looking very similar to the S21 Ultra when it comes to the setup and the look of the lens's placement. As for the button placement, it's going to be on the right hand side, so volume and power keys, again, it's pretty much the same as before. Thankfully, no separate Bixby key. Now looking at the front, it is confirmed that there will be no underscreen camera for the S22 Ultra, which is the best decision because currently underscreen cameras are not that reliable. So we've got that trusty 40 megapixel front camera sitting in that small little punch hole, and of course the whole display is looking pretty bezel-less thanks to those slight curves on the side. It's nothing too aggressive. It's still pretty much like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus / Note 20 Ultra. As for the software, we're going to see the One UI 4.0 on board with Android 12 right out of the box. Now we also have a shot of the Samsung's Notes app with the S Pen out, so you can notice that it's that good old small slim S Pen that comes with the Note devices and fits easily inside the phone, packed with all the S Pen Pro features like the air gestures, Bluetooth, all that stuff. I have to say big respect to Samsung for making a 5000 mAh battery Galaxy Note phone with the S Pen included. Yes, this is the biggest battery on a Galaxy Note phone ever. And I gotta say, it still looks very reasonably slim. Very happy to see that. Hopefully with the Exynos AMD chip as well as the Snapdragon 898, we'll see better battery performance. So there we go, the Galaxy S22 Ultra aka Galaxy Note is back. Full live look of the actual device. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Again, big shout out to John Prosser for this amazing leak. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.